All right, boys and girls. Now, I don't have my big book with me for literacy, but I have found someone on another YouTube video who's going to read the same story to you. So before we even start, I want you to think about what have we learned in kindergarten this year? We've learned a lot. Let's start with reading. We've learned how to start and what is the beginning sound. We've learned our letters. We learned how to put the letters in order. We know that when we put letters together, they make words. So that's one thing that's so important that's going to get us ready for first grade and beyond. So we learned how our letters, we learned how to read. We learned that when we read, we can learn things. We learned there's different types of ways to read. Then we learned math. We learned how to pattern. We learned shapes. We learned how to sort, measure. What else? Subtract. We learned to do weight and length. We learned lots of measurement. When I think back to September and what we did not know compared to what we know now, we have learned a lot. Now, because I don't have it with you, I want to give you a few things that I want you to really look at. I want you to think of what does it mean to describe. Yep, describe means to be able to tell what it's like. So here I have a marker. How am I going to describe this marker? It's pink and black. It's kind of medium. It's not too big but not too small. It's the same as the yellow. So describing is when, if I'm telling a story, I want you to be able to describe what happened. Just like I said, describe what we've learned in kindergarten. You were able to tell me. Now, another one is understand. That means when I put something together and I think about it, I'm able to understand what it means. So are you able to understand what 2 plus 2 is? 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 makes 4. That's something we understand now that we didn't know before. All right, so while you're going through this, I want you to think back. I want you to use those pictures, those illustrations that reader is going to say, and help you understand and to be able to describe what's happening. Now, I'm going to do my best, and I am so sorry it's backwards, but it's kind of a challenge then for you. I have a new word for us. I'm going to start this way, and I know it's backwards, but just try, okay? If. With. Excellent. And my. These are our 2 new sight words. I know they're backwards. I'm so sorry. But with and my. Make sure we know them. And then last but not least, we have our new letter for the week. We only have 2 more left. Yellow yarn, yeah. In the next video I practiced printing it for you. I don't have my packets with me, but I want you then to be able to do it in your packet, and Mom and Dad will just have to help you and tell you what to do on some of those pages. So remember, with and my, why, yellow yarn, yeah. I want you to think about what have we learned in kindergarten so far. I want you to be able to use the illustrations. I want you to be able to describe and understand what you're about to read. So I hope you enjoyed the next video of this teacher reading the book to you, and just pretend it's Miss Hayden, okay? All right, thanks so much, friends.